Okay, let's just start. The first block avatar. Okay, we can rename it, maybe Bob. Okay, let's add inside starter player and inside starter player scripts local script. The second thing you need, it's let's just add billboard UI inside billboard UI frame, and inside frame text label. Okay, let's just get our Bob. Local Bob equals workspace. Wait for child Bob. Let's get billboard UI. Okay, let's just get text label. We can skip, I think, billboard UI and frame. Yes, Bob, billboard UI, frame, text label. Okay, we got our Bob and text, but we also need proximity prompt. Okay, let's add I think here local prompt Bob, maybe. Yes, proximity prompt. Okay, and also we need fix this issue. Okay, let's change size offset. Okay, here we need offset size set to 0 and scale to example 1. Okay, and in frame and in text label also we need do this. Okay, 0 scale 1 and here scale 1 0 okay, let's just set this always on top to true, and we need just make it bigger. Okay, we hear our label, so but we need that label was here. So let's just change starts offset and y. For example, maybe 4. Okay, 4 will be fine. but as can you see, we can see Bob, but we don't need it. So let's just it's just humanoid and name display distance type set to none. So okay, you can skip this part. We have word label above head of our dummy. To make text dialog text, let's set text label to nil, like this. Okay, so in our script, so we need this logic. When we press our dummy, text above his head start to appear. It will be for loop. Yes, I think it's a great idea. So we need prompt Bob triggered connect function. Also we can after we triggered our Bob, we can disable our prompt. Just you can do this or not, just for me. Okay, let's write this. Okay, and let's make phrase local phrase equals for example, hello, I have big tree, for example. Okay, and we need this for I equals 1, comma, sharp, praise, do. Okay, and after that, text label here, our text label, it's text above head of our dummy, text to change text, obviously, equals to what? Okay, equals phrase sub, yes, return the substring of s that starts at I and continue until and including j and so on. Okay, what we need to do? Say 1 and I. Okay, and also let's task wait. Let's make it variable. Make variable of text speed. Local text speed equals 0.01 and task wait text speed. Okay. Okay, we have here this code, these lines of code. So I think I think there is. Let's test it. Okay. And can you see this? It's worked fine, I can say. And it's not disappearing. We can fix this. Let's just make the second phrase. You can create phrase 1 phrase, 2 phrase, 3 phrase, 4. It's no matter how many you want to create. It's just hello, I have victory. Goodbye. We can just copy and paste, and let's change it here. Oops. 2. We can just change, and let's task wait 2 seconds. Let's wait 2 seconds for the next line of phrase, and in the end we can just set text label to nothing. Okay, empty space, and let's task also here, task wait, and we can prompt Bob enabled true. So as you can see, let's test it. We have our Bob. Let's interact with him. Hello, I have victory. Goodbye. Okay, and you can change to whatever you want. You can set whatever you want phrase, whatever you want task wait or text speed. Change yes. Also you can change text style. Let's just I left it for you, for your mind, but yes, I think it's a good way to make text in dialogue. Yeah. I hope I helped you in this video. If you want to subscribe, just subscribe, or leave a comment, or like this video if you like this. Yes, so goodbye for the next time.